The Nothing Phone 3 is fast becoming one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year. And for good reason. With a mix of official confirmations and timely leaks, Nothing is skillfully building buzz around its next flagship. Carl Pei, the company's outspoken CEO and co-founder, has already confirmed via X that he's using the upcoming device as his daily driver, though he emphasized it's still in testing and not final. That casual admission alone lit up the tech community, hinting that the device is nearing completion. While Nothing hasn't spilled too many details directly, tech insider Rakesh Chakma filled in some of the gaps. He leaked what appears to be official case designs for both the Nothing Phone 3 and a new higher-end variant, the Nothing Phone 3 Pro. And yes, we're getting two models this time. But the real twist is that both phones won't look the same. The standard Phone 3 is rumored to adopt a bold new vertical camera layout positioned on the right side of the back panel. In contrast, the Pro version sticks to a more familiar circular module, closely resembling the Nothing Phone 3 Pro. Another exciting leak has just dropped about the Phone 3, and this time it's all about the design. According to tech tipster Rakesh Chakma, the front look of the device has been revealed, showing off a refined and modern aesthetic. The leaked image highlights ultra-thin bezels, which give the phone a sleek, premium appearance. Interestingly, Rakesh Chakma has recently dropped a series of leaks and expected specs for the upcoming Phone 3 and 3 Pro, giving us a clearer picture of what to expect. According to Chakma, both phones are highly likely to come with 1.5K resolution displays, with the standard model sporting a 6.3-inch panel and the Pro variant featuring a larger 6.77-inch screen. Both are said to house a 5,700 mAh battery, but there's a difference in wireless charging. While the standard model supports 15 watts, the Pro bumps it up to 25 watts. However, both phones are expected to offer 50-watt wired fast charging. On the camera front, expectations are even more ambitious. The Phone 3 might come with a triple 50-megapixel setup, main, ultra-wide, and a 3x telephoto lens, reportedly using Sony sensors. This setup is tipped to support 4K recording at 30 and 60 frames per second on all lenses, and offer up to 80 times zoom. Meanwhile, the Pro version could take things a notch higher, featuring a 50-megapixel Sony IMX989 OIS as the main sensor, paired with a 50-megapixel N1 ultra-wide and a 50-megapixel 3x periscope lens using the Sony LYT-818 sensor with up to 120x zoom. As for performance, Chakma expects both models to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. They'll also reportedly include DDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Interestingly, he adds that both devices will likely share the same SoC, and it will be an overclocked version of the regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, optimized to work efficiently with UFS 3.1. The Nothing Phone 3 is set to launch in the third quarter of 2025, and the standard model might fall around the $500 to $600 mark, with the Pro version reaching closer to $700 to $800.